Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are here today on a Monday, which is abnormal for me. This is not a nail art related video. This is not a haul video. You see my nails are naked. They are bare as can be. And you can't get any more naked than my nails are right now. It's just, they're atrocious. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to join Hillbilly's creativity on her Mask Monday. This will be our first for today. But we're going to do a hand, not a beauty. We're going to do a hand mask. Ooh. That is for, where is it? Artsy Fartsy Nails gave me this. And some Gal Pal nail mail. This is by Spa Life. She got these off Amazon. Moisture Luxe Nail Cuticle Wrap, Japanese Camellia Oil and Vitamin E. It's 30 minutes for cool nail cuticle spa treatment. You can use ready to use, which is what I'm gonna do. For a warm nail cuticle spa treatment, you can put it in warm water 2 to 3 minutes, which I really wish I should have done. Would have done. Would have, could have, should have. But we're going to dive in. Thoroughly wash and clean and dry your hands. Open the packet. Tear off the pre-moistened finger wraps. Apply to each wrap. I can't even see this. Apply the wrap to each finger like a thimble. Wear the wrap for 30 to 60 minutes. Remove slowly. Gently massage remaining essence into the skin. That sounds so luxurious. So she gave me this. I'm going to try this. I'm going to show you some other things first. I did file my nails previously into shape. I did buff and take the shine off. And you can do this, get you some, maybe I used acetone, get you some alcohol, wipe your nails, remove the dust. So always remove the shine. Push back your cuticles. Push back your cuticles. Use the other end to remove any dead skin. So I've already done that. But what I also love is my glass nail file from Bonafide Beauty. So check them out on Instagram. It's a glass check nail file. It is like no other. This glass file is a complete game changer. Using a glass file does help thicken the nail, which to me was a beautiful thing because I have thin nails and they do like to peel, which means they're dry. No moisture. So check out Bonafide Beauty on Instagram. I love my glass nail file. We're also going to be afterwards. I do thoroughly believe in these nail aid products. I got these off Amazon. I used the biotin, and this is new to me, the keratin 3-day growth. With my right hand, I'm constantly nailing it on something and breaking my nails. So I'm hoping that this will really help my nails. I also apply 2 coats. A coat of base coat, 2 coats of color, my Such Sweet top coat, and there's my mani. I also take for my nails biotin 10,000 mcg, which is 10,000 units. I guess it's units per day for hair, skin, and natural health or nail health. This does help the nail and the hair grow. I'm constantly, seems like I'm cutting my hair because it grows so fast. I cut like 5 inches off at a time. My hair is down to my lower spine. So I'll cut like 5 inches off and it seems like in the blink of an eye it's back. And it's because of the biotin. But we're going to tear open this. I'm so excited. I've never done anything like this before. So we're going to open these up. Oh, so you just take them and, oh, let's see. Let's separate each one, I guess. Okay. What do you think of this background, folks? I'm not gonna tell you where I got it. It's removable, so which is cool. Like a thimble, because you sound like a thimble, it said. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna slide the finger in. Whoops, I can't get my finger in. Oh my lord. Thimble my butt. How tight is a thimble? I can't even get this to my cuticles. Oh my word. I got big hands. Oh my god. Hopefully the rest of them don't fit like that. This is harder than I thought, folks. Oh, here we go. Let's see if I can do the thumb a little bit better. Ah. This is definitely harder than I thought it was going to be. Sweet Genevieve. I don't know how I'm going to get them on my other paw. I really wanted you both at one time. All at one time. I know I missed one on my left hand. We'll get there, we'll get there. Whoa. We will get there. I'm just trying to keep them on and get them on. Oh, shoot. Sweet Jesus, help me. Okay, we got the left hand on. And we're going to try for the right. We got the left hand on. We're going to attempt the right now, but this thumbnail on the right hand really needs it too. I got some... Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, we got one down on the right hand. I don't know how to do this. This is going to be difficult. Like I've said, I've never done this before. This is all new to me, doing something like this for the nails. But I'm like, why not? You know? My cuticles and my nails could use it. It's kind of fun. Ooh, a little messy. Little moist, because it's moisturizing, that's why it's a little messy, I'll say. We lost two over here, so let's put these back on. I leave them on 30 minutes, so it is now 9:45 p.m. Here we go. Now we wait 30 minutes. Tick-tock goes the clock. Tick-tock goes the clock. I'm going to use my stylus here to the best of my ability to pause my phone, my camera. And check those out on Amazon. And we'll be back. Oh boy. Okay, I believe we are back. It has been almost 30 minutes. I can't sit here any longer. I did my best to sit here to do nothing for 30 minutes. So with ADD, that's kind of impossible. It's hard to sit still. I'm going to do something, take these off and move, but I didn't. I kept them on to the best of my ability. So, I don't know. Twist and turn, pull these off. And it says to massage in the rest of the goodness. Just to massage in. And there ain't a lot left, I'd say, on my nails after. It feels nice. My nails feel good. But my thumbnail here is always really super dry. Really super dry. Super, super dry. So now what I want to do... I don't know what I want to do. I'm not putting any polish or nothing on tonight. I'm going to skip these for tonight, put these on tomorrow morning. So this would be my regimen. What I am going to do for right now is I have raw coconut oil. Butter. Not butter. Coconut oil. Cuticle oil. Whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put that on my nail as well. On all 10 digits. All 10 digits. Rub, rub, rub. So take this, rub this all the way around. So okay, I'm trying to stay in frame. Don't know if I am. Sorry if I'm not. Rub these all the way around the finger. Get your corners, because they do get really dry. Get the corner of your fingers, your skin right there. Rub your cuticle oil, and you can use whatever cuticle oil you want. This is the rawest form of cuticle oil you can get. It's the coconut oil. That's what I like to use. And just like try to get in this nail right here. Like push it back because it's so dry there, and I'm hoping that this little mask treatment has really helped it. So do this. Put your lid back on that. And sometimes I like to just, let me get rid of this. I would just let it sit. But you see I've rubbed it in. I love the coconut oil. Now, excuse me. For moisturizing, hand cream, lotion, in the wintertime, you need something thick. If you have your hand like this, strap it down, and it's running down your hand, that's not a good lotion for the wintertime. It's got too much water in it. You need something with less water, more cream, so that it's going to stay like this. Let me see. Like right now, this is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. It's a slow mover. So that's what I'm going to take. I'm going to... Oh, I got my bracelet on. Hold on. Artsy Fartsy Nails gave me that bracelet. Put it on your wrist. Well, I got tattoos. I have both wrists, hands, fingers, toes, back, belly. I got tattoos everywhere. Ow, ow. Rub it on your cuticles. Massage this in. Rub your cuticle area in your nail beds, your nail plate. Make sure you get that so it all is nourished. I know this is a longer video and it's not my typical, but this is something that I do as far as what I'm showing you. I've never done the nail wraps before. Pushing in the cuticles, the cocoa butter, the coconut oil. The thicker lotion, that is something I do as my normal regimen. So, do this. Do this. Should have taken that off. So I go back past my wrists, get my tattoos so that they stay moisturized and looking the best that they can. Excuse me. And there you go, just let that soak in now. So this is the end of our video. Remember, go check out Bonafide Beauty on Instagram for the glass check nail file. You may think they're a little pricey. They're not too pricey at all. I think they're very affordable. Very affordable. But, and check this out, the Biotin and the Nail Aid on Amazon. You can even get them at Walmart. Excuse me. Excuse me, please. Yep, so we're all moistured and my hands feel really good. They look good too. Tomorrow they'll be ready for my Nail Aid, my Biotin Ultimate Strengthener, Keratin 3-Day Growth. Nails grow slower in the wintertime. Food for thought. I don't know if you know that, ladies, but they do. Nails grow slower in the winter. So, there's my little tidbit of info for you today. Whoops. Today, that's your info. Your nails grow slower in the wintertime. So, take care of your nails. Take care of you. Till next time, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.